This is Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I'll show a few ways you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So to begin, let's open the keypad. Here dial the *##06# secret code, which will provide you with some specifications such as email numbers, EID or serial number. So what you want to do is to take the box the packaging your smartphone came in, usually over here or somewhere else at the box. It should have this sticker, which also contains the same numbers. So compare both email 1 to the email 1 here, as well as email 2 to the email 2 here, and as long as everything corresponds, you can be pretty much, I would say 99% sure that you own an authentic Samsung phone. Another method to make sure that your device is authentic is to once again open the keypad, dial *#0* to open the test mode. And here you can see if this test mode works, whether all of the aspects of your phone work correctly. As you can clearly see, mine are. And well, the sole presence of this test mode usually tells you that the smartphone is authentic. But if those tests and checks work on top of that, that pretty much 100% sure means that you own an authentic Samsung Galaxy S24. And the final advice that I would give you, or rather the final method to check the authenticity of your Samsung phone, is to copy or write down either email 1 or email 2 number. That's why I took the screenshot, so I can copy it from this photo conveniently. Well, so here's the text that I would like to copy. Then once you have the email number, either email 1 or email 2, doesn't matter, add it to your clipboard, open whatever web browser you prefer to use, then go at email.info URL, paste your email number into this field here. Then complete the CAPTCHA check. And check your email number. And if the details get back to you proper, so everything corresponds and matches, that means that is pretty much another proof that you own an authentic and original Samsung Galaxy S24. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.